We do want to now get an update on things outside.
Yeah, after quite a dry spell for a while there, we've seen some much needed moisture return to our area. In fact, take a look at some of the damage our cameras captured around town after last night's storm. Heavy winds left behind downed power lines and broken tree branches everywhere. Let's turn now to meteorologist Kristen Wallace. She's here with an explanation on how last night's winds could become so strong. Kristen?
Thanks, Mike. We had something called a wake low form last night, but first let's take a look at these maximum wind gust reports from last night. Anywhere from 64 miles an hour in Orange Grove to 60 miles an hour all the way up north of Refugio. And also take a look at these times. So they weren't confined geographically or in time, which leads us to believe that it was something called a wake low. Now here's a map just picturing that out a little bit better. 59 miles an hour is the max gust that we saw here in Corpus Christi. And here's kind of the breakdown on what this looked like on radar. Now, first, a wake low is just this drop in pressure behind a weakening thunderstorm complex. You can see it right there in that circle called isobars, or just lines of pressure. So here at about 1:23 last night, we saw our first signs of falling pressure, and you can also see how it kind of cleared from the rain, and around this time 10 minutes later we saw that maximum wind gust of 64 miles an hour in Orange Grove. Now headed towards 2 a.m. Corpus Christi's pressure was 1010 millibars, and about an hour later that had dropped 5. So that doesn't seem like a lot, but it was definitely enough to give us that 60 mile an hour wind gust at 3 a.m. Back to y'all.
All right, Kristen, thanks for the update. And